आयज म्हजे बरोबर आसा एक फिमेल डीजे जे आख्या संवसाराक परजळटा.
DJ is something that I got introduced to. So I'm like, yes, this is something that I really wanted to do.
ताच्या सांगाताक आसा ॲडव्होकेट बाय प्रोफेशन पूण एक MC.
साइड इन्कम म्हणून हांवें MC डिसाइड केलें.
And I was performing music कितरी लागले मोकडे आणि music off जाली. And then there were people who did actions also to me like what?
तो आमगेलो मनीस रे असो रे करता रे मागीर. This is the kind of attitude which I do not like to deal with.
How do you handle a situation where the event is running behind schedule?
I pester the organizers.
When are you going to cut your curly hair?
Never.
Okay.
तुका रोज
हाँ.
साडी.
हाँ. वेली. Fly. Bird.